I bet you can't guess the last one. The folding chessboard was invented by? Option A is correct. Who was the first official world chess champion? Option C is correct. The quickest possible checkmate is in. Option B is correct. How many moves was the longest known chess game in history? Option D is correct. What does the word checkmate or shahmat mean in Persian? Option C is correct. Which game is the earliest known predecessor of chess? Option D is correct. Other than world champion, what is the highest title a chess player can earn? Option B is correct.